Evatronic is a battery booster, tire inflator, as well as a power bank. An excellent product for emergencies that you need to have power. Now what we're going to do is show you an unboxing and get right to the review. We have a basketball pump, we have a tire inflator, and another inflator. A USB charging C cable that goes into the charging input. While the unit's powered on, it shows 74% with the single digit flashing on and off. An instruction guide in multiple languages. The valve stem to inflate your tire, basketball, any type of sports, bicycles, etc., etc. The positive and negative terminals that open up nice and wide, that plugs into the unit. We take the valve and we screw it into the area over here. We have a light, on and off, a mode, a negative, a positive. Press the on button. Press the LED. SOS. A flashing and off. The mode, 36 PSIs. Bicycle, 35 PSI. And another bicycle if a motorcycle. The on and off switch that runs the pump. Change the PSI by lowering and raising. You have a bicycle tire that needs to be pumped up. Turn the unit on. Mode to bicycle. 45 PSI. 45 PSI is hit. We can remove the stem. Engine start door, you open up, match like for like, the square and the round. Terminals go to the correct ones, positive to positive, negative to negative. Unit goes on. Start the car. Due to direct sunlight, it was difficult to see the coloring over here. As you can see right now, there is a blue indicator light. When all done, you simply pull off and you put away for the next time. 2000 amp, 11,200 milliamp power bank. This unit will charge your car, boost the car, get some power to your smartphone, whatever you have that needs some power, has an emergency light, and so on. I hope you enjoy this product for your safety and being out on the roadside and being safe while driving if you ever come across today's time a low battery. I hope you enjoy your product if this is the right one for you.